Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We are going to get this application from the routine developer. So let's get it. Right now we can open. Accept the permission and then just simply go back to the home screen and open the settings. Here we have to go for the apps and notifications, go for the default apps and go for the home application. So we have to pick up our iOS launcher 14, and as you can see right now we are here with this launcher on our Motorola Moto E7 Plus. Here we are able to edit the widgets. After add the calendar, clock and the batteries, you have to grant the permission on the settings. And here we can also adjust other things on this launcher. So for example, we are going to edit the home screen icon to the bottom bar. And here we got the search pool. And when you enter the launcher one more time, it's right here. You can see that we have a lot of things that we can customize. For example, we can add the control center because currently we are still with the Android notification bar. And of course you can change the icon, you can change the names, you can hide the apps, you can change the blur effects or the animation wherever you want. So here you are able to adjust a lot of things by your own. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.